Darling, there's a train coming in your life that you gotta catch, but that's not right now. Small hands wrapped around my finger, wrapped around my finger, and we dance, trying to let it linger, trying to let it linger. Cause I know if I'm doing my job correct, nights like these will happen less. So please just keep me in your heart when you fly.